If you're getting unwanted emails in Yahoo Mail, blocking the sender is one of the fastest ways to clean up your inbox and stop future messages from coming through. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to block a sender on Yahoo Mail in just a few simple steps, and I'll keep it beginner-friendly from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. First, open Yahoo Mail and find an email from the sender you want to block. The easiest way to do this is to open one of their messages directly from your inbox. Once the email is open, look near the top of the message window for the More menu, which is shown as the three dots icon. Click that More button to open the additional options. From the menu that appears, choose Block Sender. Yahoo Mail will usually ask you to confirm this action because once you block a sender, their future emails will be handled differently and you won't have to keep dealing with them in your inbox. When the confirmation box appears, click Confirm to finish blocking the sender. That's it. Once you confirm, Yahoo Mail will block that sender, so future messages from them are much less likely to interrupt your inbox. This is a great way to reduce spam, stop annoying messages, and keep your email organized. If you ever change your mind later, you can always go back into Yahoo Mail settings and manage your blocked senders list. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.